The era of vibe coding is here, and basically you can start building your own websites or apps in just a few minutes using AI tools like Windsurf, Cursor, Bolt, V0, and many others. But if you want to turn that app into a business and you can start making money out of it, then you need to select the best pricing for the app. So there is this AI tool that I think is quite interesting, and it is actually advertising themselves as vibe pricing, which is quite a unique term. And basically you can use this AI tool to describe your app, and then it will try to compare that with other similar apps in the market, and it will determine the best pricing for your own app. And there is also some SDK that you could implement into your own app, but I'm not going to touch into that area. I'll try to showcase what this tool Atlas is capable of at determining the pricing of your own app. Now you can navigate to runonatlas.com, and then you can create a free account, and basically it will show you this onboarding page. You can actually navigate to this page if you want to. And for this demonstration, I'll try to, let's say I'm going to pretend to be the owner of this app called ideogram.ai. This is not my app, of course, but I want to know how good this tool really is at determining the price of this AI tool. So I'm going to click this option, create a new pricing model, and then I need to enter the URL of the product or website. I'm going to just copy the URL of ideogram.ai and let's paste that right here. Okay, the description is going to be, I guess it is an AI tool for creating images. That's the simplest description of Ideogram. And unfortunately, there is no upload document feature. It's still a work in progress, I guess. So let's just click next. Now it is actually going to understand the product. It will analyze the product and it will do a comparison between similar tools that are already on the market. So that's definitely quite an interesting approach, and this could take quite a while, so I guess I'll just skip forward and show you the results. Okay, now it just found 5 competitors. There's Midjourney, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI, there is also Adobe Firefly, okay, and Runway ML. Not quite relevant to Runway ML. I think Runway is more for video generation, but yeah, there's also photo image generation. Okay, so these are just some competitors that are detected by Atlas, and now it is creating the pricing models. So I think this is quite an interesting idea, but honestly, I think there is a better way to just determine the price of a product. Like if you're doing the vibe coding, you can actually just ask AI, ask the tool that you're using, like Windsurf, Cursor, V0, etc., and then you can ask it to analyze your code, analyze the features, and give some suggestions about the pricing. And if that is your goal, then I don't think using Atlas would be necessary, because I think this tool, the main value proposition is actually the SDK, which again, I'm not going to touch in this video, but basically you can use it to customize your pricing, customize the plan, and it will make the payment process a lot easier if you're using Atlas. Okay, still creating the pricing plan, so I guess I'll just skip forward again. Okay, so it generated this option. There is the free version, standard, and then premium, but there is not the only one. There is another option. This one is free, $16 per month, $48 per month. And then lastly, there is this option, free, $9.99, $29.99. Now, with these numbers in mind, what is the actual pricing that is being used by Ideogram? Well, let's check out. I'm going to click upgrade, and there it goes. So right now, according to this plan, if I'm using the personal plan in the yearly subscription, every month that's going to cost me $7 per month, $16 per month for the plus plan, and then $48 per month for the pro plan. If I'm using the business plan, it's going to be a lot more expensive, but if I'm using the personal plan, it's going to be more economical at the beginning, although in a monthly basis it's going to be more expensive. But overall, I would say the numbers are pretty close to the suggestions from Atlas, so I guess it is doing quite a great job at understanding the features and offerings of the app, and it is giving me a pretty good recommendation about the pricing. So let's click use this model, and actually this is just the only thing that I care about from this tool, because later if you want to use this tool as a way to provide payment on your app, then you can use your download the Atlas SDK to your app, and you can do all the developer stuff. I'm not going to cover that in this video because it's going to make the video too complicated. But basically, the main key takeaway about Atlas is that you can use it to determine the best pricing for your application. So that's basically it. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.